Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create AI images using the software that I use called Freepik AI. So before I start, let me make my face a little smaller here. So I use this website or software called Freepik AI or .com because it generates unlimited AI images for me, right? Compared to other softwares, they don't really generate like free unlimited images. I gotta pay per image, and I consider myself a beginner, so I don't want to be paying extra costs, right, or more money for to make images. So I'm using this one right here, and then like how you guys do it is I usually start off with a prompt. So a prompt is more like a description or a title for the image that you want to create. So if you guys use ChatGPT, it's very similar to it. You create a prompt, and then once you generate the image using the prompt, there's going to be an image showing on here, right? So let me pick some examples for you guys. So for example, this one, right? I got this image from the community of freepik.com. So this is the image, and this image has this prompt right here. So I would just copy the prompt right there, and then I would use the same prompt right here. Let me make my face smaller. There. And then I usually use Google's Nano Banana as a model because for my practice time, right, it's just the one that generated the best images for me. So under model, you can use Google right here. You pick Google here, and then pick Google's Nano Banana right there. And then I use a reference image. So this one is an image of a female. So I'm going to use my wife's images, right? So you would upload your image or your wife's image or another person's image here. So I would use hers. Move this over. And then from here, I just click generate. And then the software is going to generate AI images of my wife with its prompt. And while it generates, I'm going to go back to the community of freepik.com. And then I will just look for some ideas. Let's try this one, or yeah, let's try this one right here. So I would click the image. I like the image. And then from here, I would do the same thing. I would copy the prompt. And then we would do the exact same process. Right there. So in the queue. So these are the images that I created using this prompt that I had earlier, using my wife's photos. So let's see how it looks. And if you guys want to check out my other work right here, I have been trying to create like mock-ups for products. These are some of her photos too that I generated right there. If you guys want to take a look. So these are all AI images. And let's see how, okay, so this is pretty decent. So again, we use this prompt, right? Using her image. And this is what the AI generated. I mean, I'm not really happy with the results, so I would do it again. So I would just do that exact same thing again right here. And then it's going to generate more photos, and I'm going to see if I like them or not. So right there. Okay. So it's decent. It doesn't really look like her, but I mean, this one does right here. It's close. But I hope you guys get the point, right? So, yeah. So there's that. And then I'm going to move on and use this one as an example. So again, I'm getting this prompt from Freepik.com's community. So I'm using this photo. I'm taking the prompt. I'm using the prompt. And then again, I would use Google's Nano Banana. And then do the same thing. Let's see how it looks. And by the way, you guys are not limited to Google's Nano Banana. There's other options here, like Seedream is a good one, Flux, Ideogram, and then there's also like ChatGPT's image generator here. Runway is also good. So yeah, I just like using Google's Nano Banana. Let me see. Yeah, it's not really that good. So I would do it again. Let's see how it looks. And then as this thing loads, I will go back to the community and I will just look for inspirations, right? So this one, we should try this one. Yeah, this one looks good. See how it looks. I mean, it's all right. It's okay. So I would switch this up and I would use auto instead. And let's see how it looks. And then here you can also change the sizes. So there's one for widescreen. There's one for, for I think IG stories, for Facebook. There's the different sizes depending on what you guys need. But for this example, let's just use the square one. And then let's try auto for this next photos. See how it looks. I mean, these are decent, right? Yeah, this one, like it too. All right, let's see how it looks. Yeah, it's not really that good. Yeah, so I will just keep generating it until you guys find the ones that you like. But if not, if it's not really clicking, you can switch up the prompt. So let me just switch it up. Let's try this one right here. Let's try Google's Nano Banana. Then generate. Move my face again. Let's see how it looks. But I hope you guys are getting value from this video. So it's very simple. You guys use freepik.com if you want. If you don't want to pay for any subscription, you guys can use Google's Gemini. So I believe it's or just Google Gemini AI, and it should show you how to do the same thing for free. So it's pretty decent. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys got value from this video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. See ya. Bye bye.